Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select multiple cells, single cells and specific cells in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and drag your mouse, select your multiple cells. Now click this border option and select all border. Now I will change this border, light color, green and white double line and see this. Now click on the specific cells. I'll click this one and press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select another cells and see this. These three cells are now selected. I'll change this border color and line style. I'll choose this one. So and see this. And select single cells. Click here and select it. Now you can change border color. Green. This one. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.